Hey, this is Mike Moo, and this is the debut of the LG Signature OLED TV R9. The R stands for rolling. It will roll right out of that little stand that is a whole rectangular speaker box. So the key features of this is it is a full-on 64.5-inch diagonal OLED TV by LG. It has the ThinQ AI interface with the Google Assistant and Alexa built in, features LG's Alpha 9 Gen 2 intelligent processor, and it rolls up and down directly into that speaker. You'll see that in a moment. And it features Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos sound quality. There is no specific pricing set on this yet. I imagine it's going to be a couple of $1,000s. This will work very well in any home decor because of how beautiful and sleek it is. So if you don't want your home, living room, or family room to be dominated by the big TV when you're not using it, this just might be for you. If I was going to guess, I would say that this would start out at $3,000, $3,000 to $4,000. What's not shown here is that there are 6 different modes for the display when it's not being used as a TV, and you can kind of control how high and low that the screen mode is in, depending on what the aspect ratio is or what kind of mode you're going to put in. So there's 6 different modes. There's a music mode, a clock mode, a picture frame mode, a mood mode, a lighting mode, and a home dashboard. So according to LG, you can take a quick glance for time and weather while displaying your most memorable photos on the screen, or you can stream your favorite playlists and adjust your mood lighting to redesign your space just the way you like it. Now, a little bit more about the stand where the screen pops out of. It is pure metal paired with unprecedented technology that puts a final touch to the flawless beauty of it all. Minimally sophisticated at every angle, the metal brings a modernistic ambiance to space. And finally, the whole front mesh is actually natural wool. Here's what LG says about that. It's a harmonious blend of wool and technology, designed with high-end furniture textile, Vajrat, Kevlar enclosed front-firing speaker, and Dolby Atmos. LG's signature OLED TV R delivers cinema-quality sounds like no other. So this was a CES 2019 Innovations honoree. It was not an official winner there, but this was definitely one of the best of show TVs that was shown at CES. All right, that's it about this TV. When it becomes available, or if it becomes available, I will have a link down below. Hopefully you can get it through Amazon and just get it delivered via Prime today. All right, thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next video.